Okay, so welcome to the Retail Blockchain Consortium on our first series of webinars. We're looking at the theme of novel solutions for novel times. And we're going to be talking over the next few weeks about the different issues that we're facing and how blockchain and DLT technology can help this. First of all, we're going to start next week on the 21st of April at 10:30 a.m. UK time, where we're going to have the experts around the room who are going to talk about some of the supply chain issues that we see. So first of all, we're going to just introduce ourselves. So I'll start with Nikhil, who will just introduce himself, and the rest of the team will follow.
Hi, my name is Nikhil Vadgama. I am the Ecosystem Director at the Retail Blockchain Consortium and also the Deputy Director of the UCL Center for Blockchain Technologies. And I'll be talking a bit in that webinar about how automation increases during recessions and how that's going to create more of an impact this time because we've got more emerging technologies.
Cool.
Okay, and my name is Peter Bambridge, and I'm going to be talking about how the impact on the consumer is through this whole process, and in particular looking at that whole sort of retail and manufacturing supply chain and the impact on the value chain.
Cool.
Okay, and my name is Najib Rehman. I work for Pharma Trust, but we lead the healthcare side for the Retail Blockchain Consortium. And I'll be talking about the resilience of supply chains, particularly pertinent at the moment with the challenges we're seeing within the healthcare ecosystem. What can we do to make them more resilient using the novel technologies that we've already spoken about, and what it can mean for making a more secure and safe future for all of us.
Cool. Paolo?
Hi everybody, ciao a tutti. Sono Paolo Tasca. I'm Paolo Tasca. My name is Paolo Tasca. So I'm the director of the Center for Blockchain Technologies at the University College London. I'm going to give an overview next week about the differences between the current crisis, which is driven by an exogenous shock, and the previous one, 2008, which was driven by an endogenous shock. And I try to understand, to explain that what is needed now is not much an injection of liquidity, which is an important condition, but is not sufficient. What we need basically is a reactivation of the trade and industrial activities. And we try to understand if emerging technologies can help the real economy to take off.
Cool, thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Gary. I'm co-founder of Monochain and technical director of Retail Blockchain Consortium. So I'll be talking about the short-term impact it has on the fashion industry and from a sustainability perspective, and also how climate change innovation are impacted from COVID-19, both in short run and in long run.
Excellent, thank you. Okay, so I think, so we've got a great team around us, which are going to join us next week and over the next few weeks. I think if you can leave comments in the section below of areas you want to cover, areas you want us to talk about. I think, we've got a vast experience in the room, so to speak. And we're, our goal is to start opening some of these discussions, having a few debates about what will happen, what could happen, what should happen next. And importantly, sort of how blockchain technology, AI, IoT, and all those new technologies which we, been working with for a while, how they're going to actually help the world come out of this, and how it's going to change, because we all know it's going to change, but nobody knows how. We're not the experts of what it's going to look like. We're not, sort of forecasting, but what we can do is give you our opinions and expertise. And around the room, we have, some massive expertise. So thank you very much. Join us next week on April the 21st at 10:30 a.m. UK time. And we'll have live questions as well during the session. Thank you very much, everyone.